Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix card linked to too many accounts on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's understand the problem. This error appears when your card has already been linked to multiple Cash App accounts. Cash App has limits on how many accounts can use the same card, so once that limit is reached, you won't be able to add it again. Now, to fix this, start by opening Cash App and logging into your account. Tap on your profile icon and go to the account settings. From there, navigate to Linked Banks. Here, you should try to remove your card from any other accounts it may be connected to. If you have access to those accounts, log into them and unlink the card. Once your card is removed from other profiles, go back to your main account and try adding the card again by entering the card number, expiration date, and other details. If you don't know which accounts your card is linked to, then your next step is to contact your bank or card issuer. Sometimes they can check if your card is being used across multiple platforms. In some cases, requesting a replacement card with a new number can instantly fix the issue since it hasn't been linked anywhere before. If the problem still isn't resolved, go Cash App and tap on Profile icon again. Here, scroll down and go to the Support section. Here, tap on Something Else and start a chat with a support specialist. Explain that your card is linked to too many accounts and ask them to unlink it from old or inactive profiles. They may ask for verification before helping you. While waiting for a solution, you can still use a different debit card or link your bank account directly using your routing and account number to continue sending and receiving money. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix card linked to too many accounts on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.